Jai Hind everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Voice of Red Hackle, a podcast of the cadets, by the cadets, and for the cadets. Today with us we have Flight Cadet Mansi Claire and Cadet Warrant Officer Shivang Dua.
Jai Hind, thank you.
Thank you.
Celebrating the NCC Day, which is observed on fourth Sunday of November every year, Voice of Red Hackle has come up with a series of podcasts to show what NCC has to offer to the nation.
And how Amrit Kal ki NCC is helping towards Viksit Bharat. So ma'am, you attended All India Vaisani Camp 2024. So can you tell us the selection process of the camp?
All right. So basically selection process. So हमें अराउंड मई मार्च के अराउंड अलार्म मिल जाता है टू प्रिपेयर फॉर ऑल इंडिया वाइस सैनिक एग्ज़ाम रिटन एग्जामिनेशन which syllabus includes the specialized subjects and aircraft's SOP. And on the basis of merit and performance, the cadets are selected for the first cadre. In the first cadre, cadets are given basic exposure of All India Vice Sainik Camp and regarding the events. So the events include the written examination, best pilot competition, line area, drill, .22 shooting, skeet shooting, aero modeling and tent pitching.
Okay, thank you so much ma'am.
So, sir, could you tell us what all camps have you done in NCC?
Alright, so I have done two camps in NCC. One is All India Vaisanic Camp 2023 and the other is Ek Bharat Shresh Bharat Aerospace Safety Camp 2023.
Right, sir.
Ma'am, as you mentioned that you attended All India Vaisanic Camp, so can you tell us the event that you participated in and what was your experience and what were your learnings?
So my event was .22 shooting where we started practicing in around May onwards. Cadets were taken to the shooting range and we were all highly privileged that we also got a coach hired for us to train us, and the rifle we used was .22 Deluxe Sporty. And talking specifically about the event, .22 shooting is done in two parts, like grouping and snap shooting. And I also feel honored to announce that Delhi Directorate has scored first position in All India Vice Sainik Camp 2024.
Wow, that's great.
So, sir, how was your experience and which event did you participated in AIVSC?
So I participated in aero modeling. Basically, in aero modeling, to be specific, in radio control aircraft making, wherein we are given 24 hours to prepare a model of an aircraft. So our model was Swan, and thereafter we have to perform certain maneuvers, and the event carries 250 marks. We secured fourth position in All India Vaisanic Camp 2023 in aero modeling.
Right, sir.
Sir, ma'am, you both aspire to join the Indian Air Force. So how Airwing NCC is helping you towards your dream?
NCC has taught me military leadership, which is, like, in my opinion, quite important for going into FSBs and in order to become an Indian Air Force officer. Secondly, I think largely what NCC has taught me is the importance of sacrifice and camaraderie. So I feel there NCC has helped me a lot, which normal civil college did not.
Right, sir.
Right, sir.
And ma'am, what's your experience?
So NCC having, I believe it's kind of a stepping stone towards achieving my goal. That's Indian Air Force. So basically NCC provides training and subject knowledge regarding aviation and aerodynamics, and it also gives me exposure to military life. And definitely NCC having also provide us with the direct entry opportunities in Indian Air Force.
Okay, thank you.
Right, ma'am. Right, sir. So, sir, how is NCC helping in making Viksit Bharat?
In my opinion, largely what the youth currently is missing is the feeling of patriotism. And in my opinion, NCC is doing the right job in instilling patriotism and camaraderie in the youth, which is required. Moreover, team spirit and being a team player is something and the ground rule for all the forces of our country. And irrespective of the forces, it is actually the team that leads to the developed country.
Right, sir.
So, in my opinion, NCC is doing the right job instilling the values from the ground zero till wherever the country is right now. And by 2047, I am confident that India will become a developed country.
Right, sir.
Ma'am, as you are in Irving NCC, so what do you think that how Irving NCC is contributing towards NCC for Yamuna campaign?
So for Yamuna campaign, NCC is contributing a lot for conservation and for improvement of Yamuna. Like cleanliness drives, cadets are battalions are appointed to clean Yamuna Ghats, the banks of River Yamuna. Secondly, they also organize awareness campaigns in which they carry out rallies. And then we have the tree plantation drive where cadets are appointed to plant tree afforestation, and NCC is also collaborating with NGOs and government bodies to ensure safety of River Yamuna.
Right, ma'am.
So, sir, how was your experience in All India ABSB Aerospace Camp?
Okay, so it was a great camp. EBSB Aerospace Camp was organized by a lot of organizations, including DGNCC, Indian Air Force, ISRO. So these organizations basically wanted to give cadets the exposure of how the aerospace industry is working and has the scope in the coming future. Along with that, it also gave us the exposure of how the space race is developing around the world and what's the India's position in it.
Right, sir.
We were, as NCC cadets, were taken to a lot of places where normal cadets or where normal civilians are not allowed. For example, Shar Sriharikota, from where the rocket basically takes off, and other satellite assembling facilities of the ISRO. Along with that, we also visited the HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Tejas wing, where LCA Tejas is assembled and where all the tests for the Indian Air Force are conducted. So overall, it was a great experience, and if anybody asks me, I'd say for any Air Wing or Army or Navy cadet, it should be one of the camps you should do.
Right, sir.
Ma'am, you attended flying in Hindon Air Force Station. So can you explain or can you tell your experience and your learnings to our cadets?
Okay, so flying is something which is the only opportunity given to Air Wing cadets, which is not provided in Army and Navy. So I feel really privileged that we got a chance to visit Hindon Air Force Station, Ghaziabad, where normal civilians are not allowed. So for there we are given a sortie. For SWs we have microlight Zen Air, and for SDs we have microlight virus. So the experience was really good. It really felt like touching the sky with glory, sitting beside the commanding officer as the co-pilot in the cockpit.
Right. And a rapid fire for you guys. So in this we'll ask you questions and you have to give us answers quickly. Okay? I'll just say some words and you have to tell me the first word that comes to your mind. Okay? So badges.
Honor,
Pride.
Okay. Your uniform.
responsibility,
Nation building.
Very.
Pride.
respect,
Your camps.
adventure,
Buddy.
camaraderie.
Friendship.
Okay, so well played, guys. Now I would like to ask you, what advice do you want to give to our audience?
I would like to advise everyone to believe in themselves. Self-belief is a weapon when deployed can actually make you win wars, and that is something which is required by everyone for the goals they set. So believe in yourself and you'll achieve it.
Right, sir. And ma'am, yours.
So my advice would be that only that I would say hard work, determination, and honesty can lead you to any milestone.
Right, ma'am. So, sir, ma'am, we are glad to have you here. Thank you so much for joining us for this podcast today.
Thank
Thank
you so
you.
much.
Jai Hind.